Welcome. Today we're diving into a new update on Instagram that allows you to see who commented on your photos using your PC. If you've ever wondered how to check the comments on your posts without reaching for your phone, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Just type in the URL and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by your Instagram feed. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts are displayed. Now it's time to find the specific photo you want to check comments on. Scroll through your posts until you locate the image in question. Once you find it, simply click on the photo to open it up. With the photo open, you'll see all the details related to that post. Look for the comments section beneath the image. Here, you'll find all the comments made by your followers and other users. You can scroll through this section to read what everyone has said about your photo. This new update makes it easier than ever to engage with your audience and see their reactions right from your computer. Whether you're managing a business account or just keeping in touch with friends, having access to comments on a larger screen can enhance your experience. In summary, by following these simple steps, opening Instagram, clicking on your profile photo, selecting the desired photo, and viewing all comments, you can easily stay updated with interactions on your posts. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media efficiently. Happy Instagramming!